my favorite actually is Corina Sanchez. If you see Corina Sanchez's reactions, of course, right now we're all feeling helpless dahil while waiting for a vaccine, nahihirapan tayo dahil we're in the middle of a pandemic. So, kumbaga triggered na yung mga tao at kumbaga dati when you would deal with your bashers, haters or trolls, you would be so nice, like you'd put a smiley face or ignore. Pero ngayon, not Corina. Corina in her posts, she would answer to different bashers and like this one that you're seeing. If ABS-CBN really cared for their 11,000 employees, they should have secured the renewal of their franchise, etc., etc. And then this person said as a response to her post, paawa effect. And then sabi ni Corina, the police employee ka. Okay, and then another post naman, ito na may mga sinasabi na naman dito yung mga people in her page. And sabi niya, why don't you ask the congressman who did not go through due process? Dear, pag-aralan mo ang lahat ng batas at hindi yung batas na gusto mo lang gamitin. Period. Ayun, so no nonsense. Corina is being her real self, because of course Corina is nice and she loves animals and she gives chinelas to people in the palengke. But really, Corina is a no-nonsense woman who speaks her mind. Kaya kung ano nasa isip niya, itong sinasabi niya kagad. At kagaya na ito pang isang post. This other post na medyo mahaba nga, ito nga, sabi niya, that's okay. Yung mga mamali, and talking about Philippine law, never estimated the Philippine law, and etc., etc., etc. Sabi ni Corina, please, itama mo muna yung English mo. Gusto mo mag-Tagalog ka na lang kaya? Ayan, di ba? This is classic Corina, no nonsense, will tell you what she thinks. And at this time of pandemic, people have no patience to be, to play Mr. Nice Guy. Ito kagad walang sat. Ito pa, next post of Corina. Sabi niya, anong abuso? Wala na kayong franchise, that's it, sus. Sabi ni Corina, please leave, bruha ka. O diba? I think it's a classic, this is a pinaka-classic Corina na at the end of the day, ito yung tumatak sa utak ng tao ngayon. Pag ina-atake ka, pag binibwisit ka ng kahit sino man, para lang wala ng away, sabi mo lang sa kanila, please leave, bruha ka. Okay? So pag merong nangungulit sa'yo, nangungutang sa'yo, o kung ano man ang gustong hingin sa'yo na ayaw mo ng patulan, ito lang kailangan mo sabihin. Please leave, bruha ka. Okay? Ayan, yan ang reaction. And it's funny because sabi ng mga tao, may mga nag-text sa kanya, ng mga kaibigan natin, o mga nag-post, sabi niya, oh my God, some people think that Corina has lost it. Na parang, she lost her cool. She's having a breakdown. Sabi niya, no, I don't think I've lost it. In fact, I've regained it all back. Yan. Parang she really feels that, na hindi niya na kailangan mag-explain sa mga ibang tao kung ano man. Because she's gained it all back. She has her kids. She has a good married life. And she doesn't need to, play play nice anymore. And this is how she feels. Please leave, bruha ka. Okay.